Hello everyone, my name is Miriam of Travel Sense Mimi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking about Singapore visa and touring Singapore. We all know that Singapore is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. That city is so beautiful. So it's one of the most beautiful cities in the world, and you can imagine how heavenly it looks. I'm going to be sharing picture of some of my clients that went to Singapore. So how do you get Singapore visa? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, what we talk about is traveling, flexing all over the world and traveling to see the world. Sometimes, most times, we talk about where you can go to without having visa stress. Visa stress as a Nigerian. That's what we talk about here. So now, let's talk about Singapore. Do you know how beautiful that city is? Singapore, fine, Joe. It's so beautiful that every time my clients travel to Singapore, they always come back to say, Mature Travels, thank you very much. And it is not tough. It's not hard to go to Singapore. In fact, I recommend it's one of those cities that you can use to build your travel experience because of how stringent immigration law is all over the world right now. As Nigerians, we need cities that we can visit without having a visa issue so that we can build our travel experience to go to all those tough cities to get their visa, those tough countries to get their visa like Canada, Schengen, America, you understand. So we need to go to all these countries first. You get, and one of the places you can go to that you will enjoy your money, Qatar, Singapore. You don't need to go and do anything. All you need to do if you want to go to Singapore is that you need to buy the tour, everything together. You don't need to, with Singapore, you don't need to buy your ticket ahead like Qatar. Singapore, tour, hotel, transfer, everything comes together and you get the beauty of Singapore. And they have beautiful places to visit. Very beautiful places to visit. In fact, you can even go on boat cruise this December in Singapore. You can go to Malaysia and Singapore together. The visa will come together. Just leave the process to us together this December. So imagine doing two countries in a package of one. You understand? So there is no refusal issue, just like Qatar in this Singapore. So if you're looking for how to build your travel experience and you want to enjoy yourself at the same time, my brother, my sister, do Singapore. Go for Singapore. Ask your agent or ask me, Mature Travels. Ask us. Go to Singapore. You will feel heaven on earth. I'm telling you. But the thing is that, just like Qatar, as you are coming in, before you enter, you have a form to fill. As you're going down, you have put your entry date and the day you're going to return. So when you fill the form ahead, by the time you get to the airport, you give them your passport. Everything is scanned and they have said all the information. They know the agents you came into the country through, which is a beautiful thing for genuine tourists. Not people that want to run away. For genuine tourists, try Singapore. So that's all I have to say about Singapore today. If you know you're truly interested in Singapore, you can reach us on the information below or check our blog for information. And Singapore, here you come. Thank you for watching. I cannot wait to have you here again. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Drop your comments. Ask me any question. I'll come back and answer you. And please don't forget to like. Thank you for watching. Bye.